Welcome to our guide on the benefits of digital marketing for small businesses. If you're a small business owner looking to grow, this video is for you. In today's competitive landscape, digital marketing isn't just an option, it's a necessity. It's how your business connects with customers, builds brand presence, and drives sales. So what exactly is digital marketing? For small businesses, digital marketing is critical. It levels the playing field, allowing you to compete with larger companies and reach customers globally, all from your local shop. One of the biggest advantages of digital marketing is its cost effectiveness compared to traditional advertising. You can reach a massive audience without breaking the bank. Digital marketing allows for precise tracking, so you know exactly where your marketing dollars are going and what return you're getting. Beyond saving money, digital marketing significantly boosts your brand's visibility. By optimizing your online presence, you make it easier for potential customers to find you. Digital channels enable direct engagement with your customers, fostering stronger relationships. No more casting a wide net hoping for a bite. Digital marketing lets you aim with precision. You can target specific demographics, interests, and behaviors, ensuring your message reaches the right people. This means connecting with your ideal customers, who are most likely to convert into loyal patrons. Digital marketing isn't just about presence. It's about performance you can see and analyze. Every click, impression, and conversion can be tracked, providing invaluable insights. This data empowers you to continually refine and optimize your campaigns for maximum effectiveness. Digital marketing truly empowers small businesses, helping them stand tall against giants. You gain the tools to compete effectively, reaching audiences and offering value just like the big players. Online platforms also provide avenues for building a strong, loyal customer base through consistent engagement. To recap, digital marketing offers small businesses unparalleled benefits. It's cost-effective, boosts visibility, allows for targeted reach, and provides measurable results, all while leveling the playing field. Don't wait. Start exploring digital marketing for your small business today and unlock your full growth potential.